Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making the environment stable. Plug in or confirm 20% battery and close background apps so the sensor reads accurately. Once done, turn off low power mode because it can limit automatic adjustments. Now open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and look for True Tone. You're doing this to force the system to recalibrate the ambient light sensor and color profile, so make sure you're in normal indoor light, and proceed to toggle True Tone off and on as the first corrective action. You now trigger a recalibration sequence. Toggle True Tone off, count to 5, then toggle it back on while adjusting brightness slightly. This helps the ambient sensor and display controller resample color and temperature baselines. Make sure auto brightness is enabled if available, because it pairs with True Tone. If auto brightness is hidden, enable it via accessibility settings. If toggling doesn't help, reset all settings to clear any display configuration conflicts. This won't erase data, but will restore display and sensor defaults, so True Tone can relearn. Finish by restarting your iPhone to apply the changes and test True Tone across several lighting conditions, indoors, near a window, and in warm light, so you can verify consistent color temperature. Make sure the ambient light sensors at the top of the screen are clean and your case isn't covering them. Dirt or obstruction will mislead True Tone. If True Tone remains inaccurate after these steps, you've likely got a hardware or calibration fault. So contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for a diagnostic and possible sensor repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.